Hello guys and welcome to a Minecraft video. So this is episode 3 of Minecraft. So episode 3 of Escape the Island. So yeah, I'm doing pretty well at the moment. 3 videos uploaded in less than 3 days. That is actually really good, guys. So yeah, we're gonna get straight on with it. As you saw, I was eating my melons because I was hungry. And so yeah, today we're gonna be building a cow farm. So a bit of a peculiar thing to build in your first set of episodes, isn't it? 3rd episode, and we're building a cow farm already. So guys, to start with, what we want to do is collect the wheat from our thingy, because cows eat wheat, obviously. So all the ones that are fully grown we've got. And so there we are, we've got some wheat now. 5 pieces of wheat. I think that will be enough, don't you? So yeah, we got some wheat, and yeah, that's what cows get fed, if you don't know. Okay, so guys, what we want to do first is we're gonna want to, after we've just planted our seed there, we're gonna want to grab a load of sand to get. So we're gonna grab a load of sand to extend our left side of the house over there. And so yeah, so we've got enough room to build the little cow barn. So yeah, there's probably going to be a pig farm, a sheep farm. We're going to have our own farm, obviously, but it's going to be a slight more tidy than this. And we're going to move to build a bigger house soon. Okay, so we're gonna gather up most of this sand on this little part of the island. Oh, and I didn't realise there was actually a cave going underneath us right now. Okay, I can hear some zombies, so yeah guys, we might go mining in our 4th episode. We might build a tree house, because I'm thinking maybe, because if we climb to the top of the trees, there's like some nice view. We might build a big tree house maybe. Okay guys, do you know now later episodes, I'm not going to tell you what we're going to build till the next episode. I'm just kind of getting used to it so far. Like, we're only on our 3rd episode, it's not bad. So we've got some cocoa beans now, which we've just found. So I think, yeah, we can make some cookies now. So yeah, we're going to go back to the house, and we're going to make some cookies, hopefully. Because I like cookies. I don't know if sloths in real life like cookies, though. That's just something I want to know. But I don't think they do, to be honest. I suppose who cares if sloths like cookies or not. This is Minecraft. This is not real life. Well, it's got to be Minecraft, because sloths aren't square in real life. That's like saying... Alright, so we've got a lot of food to last us, but I just want to make cookies for the first time in this series. You know what I don't get? When you break melons, when you see melons from a jungle, and then when you break them you get melons, like proper watermelons, you make them back into melons. Who wants to really do that? You don't really... When you find melons, you don't go, oh, I'm going to break them so we turn into watermelons, turn them back into proper melon. It doesn't really make sense. Well, it might do to you lot, but nothing like that makes sense to me. Just saying. Alright guys, this is going to have to be quite wide if we want to get a barn, if we want to have a barn, because it's going to be like 6 by 5. So in total it will take up 30 blocks, wouldn't it? I don't know. I think we're going to take up 30 blocks of the space on the on the right hand side of the house, sorry. From where we're saying, when we go into our house, it is the left, but to the house it's not, is it? There's so many random holes around this world, it's absolutely unbelievable. Like, I've never seen so many random holes in a world ever. Well, I suppose this is a seed, so let me see this again. Mojang might have created this seed to, because I think Mojang did create this seed, yeah. They might have created it so that there's holes in the world. I don't know if they would, because that would just not make any sense at all. Oh, this is a great idea, look. Put cobblestone along the block underneath and then you don't waste so much sand. Okay, it might be wide enough now, I don't know. No, we need to square it out a bit. We've got the materials ready anyway. I'm thinking maybe right, at least we got a little wheat farm on the side, but I will in the future transfer that wheat over to... But guys, I think should we square it out or not, or it might look a bit unnatural. I'm just thinking, will it look too unnatural? Because it would be good to square it out. I mean, we could do something out of that, but... Well, we've squared it out a bit, that's all I can say. I think we've made it big enough, guys. So, I don't know if I'm adding random blocks down to make it bigger, but we've got some fences as well, and we're going to just go around to the side and start building. So I don't know how we're going to kind of do this. I don't know. I think maybe like, oh, this is more difficult than I thought. An idea's just come to my head, guys. We're gonna go and we're gonna get some oak wood. So we're gonna climb up this tree to the top, and this is actually probably where I'm gonna build the tree house. I don't know whether to build a tree house, guys. I am really unsure. I think it'll be good, but wouldn't the leaves kind of disappear? That's what I'm worried about. And it won't look like a natural treehouse anymore. Because the leaves will all fall off and then... Alright, we've got the idea of what to do. Alright, this is going to turn out okay, I think. It's not going to be the best. But I don't think it's going to turn out bad. If you know what I mean. We've got our idea, guys. I think we've probably mastered it. So, yeah, I think it is. Wait, it's not, is it? Yeah, it takes up 30 blocks, 30 square blocks. That's a decent. That is very, very, very decent. Alright, so we've got the main part of it done. Now we're gonna... Yeah, we're gonna go over to that other island where the cows are, I think. Alright, so we've got some more wood. And that island, those cows are coming with me because... that sounded more like I'm gonna kill them then, didn't it? But no, I'm gonna have them as a pet. Pet cows. I think we're nearly to the other side. I don't know because I'm going to try and focus and concentrate without falling off the block. Yeah, we're there. We've got leaves. I mean, we've got vines, so we must be here. So we might as well have used up all those wood blocks anyway. Okay, what am I doing? I could just grab one block. I'm getting quite hungry again, you know, guys. So I'm gonna eat something in a minute. As soon as this cow actually speeds up because he's acting quite slow at the minute. I mean, come on. Alright, so guys, we're going to go to the other side again and we're going to come to this island here and fetch another cow. Might have to go a bit, yeah, we're going to have to go a bit further down because I think that guy was the only cow that actually wanted to closer to my house. Oh, this cow's gonna fall down there now, isn't he? He's down there. Come on! Oh, now I hit him, didn't I? I had to hit him. And now he's gone rampaging off somewhere else. I think I've got him now. He's not gonna come with me, is he? I bet he's not gonna come with me. Yes, he is. I think he is anyway. Hopefully he's following me. He's doing his morning twirls. Look, no, don't fall. Ooh, do you see that? I nearly fell down there again. Alright, the cow. Come on. Cows are fast when they're not following you, but is he coming? He's coming. He's not coming, is he? Yeah, he is. Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to go to bed after this. I think. Or should I stay up the night? I don't know. Shall I or shall I not? That's a difficult question to ask, isn't it? So now we got baby one, which has gave us a bit of experience, but we're still on level 2. That is pretty bad. Well, I suppose we're not. In theory, we've only been doing this for an hour or so. Not even that, to be honest. We've been doing it for. We've been doing it for 40 minutes. That is. No, 50 minutes. Was it 40? 50, yeah. More or less 50 minutes, which isn't even an hour, which is actually quite good going. And we've already got. Well, we've not got armour though, have we? That is the worst thing. Where is our armour? I've only just noticed what time it's on the video. Okay, so let me just. Should we do the roof now? We're gonna do the roof now. I was just gonna get some stairs and then store them till the next video, but I think we might as well do them now. It's going to be quite difficult though, that's the only bad thing. It's not going to be easy. Oh damn, no it's not. Tell me in the comment section below if you think I was slow at doing the, I'm slow at doing the roof, because I think I am ridiculously slow. I just need to get the right angle right, also steps will turn upside down. And then why it doesn't work, so. You see a minute ago I did it wrong. That's because I'm doing it too fast, I'm trying to be too skillful. I keep falling in the water. And I can't most of the time get out. I don't know why I was making those stupid humming noises then. Alright, oh we've run out of stairs. Let's just grab a bit more jungle wood, a tiny bit more. Yeah, I keep forgetting what time is on the video actually, because we're actually quite a long way into it. I mean, we're in the 21st minute. That is mad. Well, basically in the 21st minute, yeah. But okay, we just need. I think we're gonna about end the video here, guys. Actually, because this is the longest video we've done on the series so far. So I think we shall end it here. We've done part of the roof on the cow farm, so there's no point doing much more, is there? I mean, yeah. So guys, I'm going to do my outro. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And yeah, please leave a like in the description below. Comment on the videos and tell me if you liked it. And subscribe for more daily videos. Thank you and bye, guys.